Hi Sweet Cheese, it's Lisa.
And Zahra, and welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today we have a haul from Walmart. It's a Ren and Stimpy haul.
All these little TVs, these retro TVs, have some Ren and Stimpy characters inside, so we're hoping that we get a complete set. And we've already opened some, we couldn't wait, but we'll show you what those are as we go through.
So this one, we think they would be really good for hide and sides once they're done.
That's why we got 12.
So this one is a Stimpy, and it has like this little TV screen, so you're supposed to put it on the front, but I don't think that
I will if we're going to use them for hide and sides, because little kids don't know what.
So should we open the bag?
Not yet. Let's see what we get first.
Yes.
And then this one we also opened.
That's Horseman.
Is it called Horseman?
Yes.
Mr. Horse?
Yes, Mr. Horse.
Mr. Horse. So we got two. They're really nice big compartments. There's lots we could hide in there. Little TV characters. So each one has a sticker and a little figure. And the figure is so cute. This is my favorite. Even though I don't like cats very much.
Let's put the sticker in the back and then...
So cute.
Yes. So let's put them like that.
Okay, so we're going to each take one and crack them open as fast as we can. Go! This is series 1, so I don't know if they're doing more. Or not. Cardboard slides off the top. And I'm first.
I'm first.
Oh, it's another Stimpy.
I got Toastman.
Oh, I need that one. Powdered Toastman. Let's see it. We'll put them right in the front.
Toastman.
Powdered Toastman. Here's a
Toastman.
sticker. Oh, it's just a Ren and Stimpy sticker.
Yeah, all of them are Ren and Stimpy stickers. So let's put them in the back and then it's displayed.
Okay, ready, set,
go! First. Another Stimpy.
Oh, another horse.
I got Stimpy. Except it's a different sticker.
Is it a different sticker?
Yeah, so this one
is the sticker. Oh, I think I got a different sticker too.
It's Powdered Toastman. Coming to Ren and Stimpy. So let's put the doubles.
It looks like it's stacked pretty well too, which is nice.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Hold on. Ready, set, go! First, another Powdered Toastman. Oh,
I got Ren! Got Ren! Yay!
I got another
different sticker.
We're still looking for log.
We're still hoping for a log.
Okay, you ready?
Because it's big, it's heavy, it's wood. Okay, ready,
log,
set,
log.
go!
First.
Another horse.
Toastman. Let's see the sticker. Oh, this is for log. My sticker is for log.
Oh, and mine's the one when they're sad. They're crying.
We already got that sticker. So this is log.
The last two. We got 12 because we like 12 for hide and sides. Ready, set, go!
I hope one of us is log.
What if it's not
Stimpy.
log? What if we don't get log?
Come on.
Last one. Ren!
Ah, Stimpy.
Oh no!
We didn't get log. We wanted to get log.
We really wanted log.
We are going to have to go back.
I'm hoping that we can find a home, rehome some of these characters as well.
So you can find that log.
Maybe log is the hardest one to get.
Yeah, probably. At least I got a log sticker.
Yeah, that was something.
Yeah.
We could make a log.
Yeah.
Just a quick addition. We did go back. We did get another box, another TV set. We stood there and shook them until we found one that we thought sounded like log. Big and chunky, and we were right. So we got ourselves a log for our collection. Now we have them all. Alright, thanks for watching our Ren and Stimpy Hide and Sides reveal.
Comment down below which one was your favorite.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And we'll see you very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Bye everyone.